All right, I'm going to make a super quick video real fast. So the reason I'm making this video is because I get slammed with so many of these pictures and messages and screenshots of this letter that so many people receive from TransUnion. So pretty much this letter is what you call a stall letter. TransUnion did something similar to this maybe 2 or 3 years ago. So pretty much in this letter, it is stating that we recently received a request included with your information, but it didn't appear to be sent from you. So if you hired a credit repair company, that credit repair company must send proof that you authorized them to work on your credit. So with all of our clients, they sign an agreement before they even start the service, allowing us to work on their credit and giving us permission to work on their credit. So pretty much every person in the world is receiving this letter from TransUnion. It doesn't matter if they're a client of ours or they're just a random person out there clicking the online dispute button themselves. Everyone is going to receive this letter from TransUnion. And I even did some disputes on my own credit report, which I'm going to show in a second, just to show proof that I'm going to receive this letter. And this is my letter that I have in this screenshot here. So secondly, it says that it is important for you to know if you see something incorrect on your TransUnion credit report that is inaccurate or you don't agree with, you can do this on your own for free. And of course, credit repair is just a service, just like car detailing, lawn care, home improvement services, and things like that. But of course, no one in the world have so much time to work on their own credit or learn all of these rules and laws in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and debt collectors have to follow. So they just hire a company who's a professional to do this for them. So moving on to the next thing, this letter also states that if the credit repair company insisted on charging you upfront, which some people charge like $1,000 upfront or something like that before they even start on your credit, it is illegal to do that. And 9 times out of 10, those companies are scams. They're not real credit repair companies. So I do agree with that line there. So pretty much this is just a letter that you're automatically going to receive. So you don't have to keep sending this to me. So just to show you proof that I did it myself, I found 3 hard inquiries on my credit report from like a year or so ago from me applying from maybe 2 or 3 credit cards, since that's the only thing I found on my credit report. As you can see here, that's my name. I submitted this dispute last month. And as you all know, if you're watching this video, it takes a month for the credit bureaus to investigate. So on March 17th of 2022, they finished their dispute. I just got it in the mail today, which is why I'm making this video. Experian has not responded yet, so they're probably going to send me their results in 1 or 2 weeks. But so far, TransUnion sent me their silly letter, and then Equifax sent me their results. So if you look here on this next page, you're going to see the 3 hard inquiries that I disputed, 2 Chase Bank credit cards, and then the Home Depot / Citibank credit card. Luckily, I got those removed just from, not even trying. The very first time, Equifax deleted all of those hard inquiries off my credit report. However, TransUnion, they just sent me this silly letter stating that they believe somebody besides myself is working on my credit without my permission. So now you see that, everyone in the world is receiving this letter. You don't have to message me and, send it to me and ask me, is everything okay? This is just one of their stall tactics. Your disputes are still being processed. One of the third reasons why TransUnion is sending you this is because TransUnion also sells their own credit monitoring service, which is like $40 a month just to monitor your credit. So you look on the next page of this letter, it's going to, try to sell you their credit monitoring service, not credit repair, but just to monitor your credit scores, which is kind of expensive, but that's all goes back to why the credit bureaus are so rich and how they make so much money. But that's a topic for a different video. But again, you received this letter, please disregard it. You don't have to send it to me. I've gotten 10,000 of these letters every single week. This is just one of their stall letters, just like they did 2 years ago to try to sell you their services. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions about this silly letter that TransUnion sends, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to explain it again. Thank you.